Yeah, my name. I ain't playing hoods, but my tracks do bang it, 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 bang it,
nigga.
bang it, bang it, bang it, bang it.
I know you niggas like KP, I'm fly, no frisbee. Yes, KP, I bang no Nipsey. Who's summer dog and her cat so frisky? If she give it to me, I'ma smack that kitty. My tracks bang, don't need a damn hammer. Bang so hard, might need a bandana. Clicks stay flashy, nope, no camera. So we keep a couple.
Hey guys, this is Pikachu. Lexi's not here today because she's sick, so it's just me and Pikachu.
I'm Pikachu.
Mm-hmm.
I'm the cool one.
Introducing a new character.
Flying Booger Boy! Things are just better when you roll with it.
Oh.
Baby, baby, baby. Yes, we're talking about Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber. Oh, hey.
Okay. Justin Bieber.
Yeah, he's like not cool. But
No.
A lot of people blog about him, but there's never really anything honest or truthful.
Mm-mm.
I mean, what do you think of him?
I just think he's gay.
I personally think he's very fruity and very flamboyant.
Mhm.
You know, those shoes. What are they? Supras.
Exactly.
Supras. What is a Supra?
I know. Do you feel like you're being watched?
My friend told me about this one time where her uncle, his friend's friend, said that he had this fear where that somewhere, somehow, there's a duck watching him. A duck. Like a duck.
Have you heard of Squawky?
Squawky?
Yeah, he's like Justin Bieber's like #1 fan.
So? He's
Yeah.
just a fan.
Well, like, but he's like a serial killer.
A serial killer?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. But he's
I
a
think
fan
it's
of Justin.
creepy.
He's a fan of Justin Bieber, so it's kind of lame. Personally, right? Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
What did he say? I'm sorry. Excuse me. I speak bird. You probably didn't understand anything he just said.
No.
It probably sounded like a bunch of squawks to you. But he said, "My name is Squawky. I am Justin Bieber's #1 fan."
Oh.